get asked frequently, when you extract hair from the beard, am I going to be left with patchiness? There are some patients that want to have basically a full beard, even into the neck. And we're able to do it similar to the way that we do extraction from the head, where we take random hairs and we don't take the amount of density that would lead to significant patchiness. The beard skin, when we extract, contracts quickly and pretty significantly, so it actually pulls the density back in when we grab hair. Other patients, especially those that do not like shaving their neck and will never have neck hair, literally say, I want you to take all of these hairs without touching my beard. I have other patients that literally don't want a beard and say, you can take it all. So with that said, we can meet your needs as far as allowing you to have a beard, do it in a way that's more diffuse. We can do it in a way that does not produce scarring in the face. Or if you're on the opposite end of the spectrum and you want to get rid of hair, we can do it. If you're interested in beard transplantation to go from the beard to the head, or possibly beard to beard, give us a call at 678-845-7521 or go to our website at nahairrestoration.com.